Ethereum has captured the spotlight this week, with its price surging dramatically following the successful implementation of the Pectra network upgrade. Ethereum jumped roughly 25% within 48 hours of the upgrade going live on Wednesday, significantly outperforming other major crypto assets and briefly touching the mid-$2 400s. This upgrade, the most substantial since the 2022 merge, introduced key improvements like enhanced smart contract capabilities for wallets and a significantly increased maximum stake for validators, aiming to boost efficiency and user experience. The market has reacted with clear optimism, viewing Pectra as a catalyst that could help Ethereum gain ground on faster alternatives. This positive sentiment is amplified by accelerating institutional interest and advancements in market infrastructure. Spot Ethereum ETFs, such as BlackRock's iShares Ethereum Trust, saw their values climb around 26% in the past 2 days, mirroring the underlying assets rally. While these funds are still below their peaks, recent inflows, including a notable $250 million surge in late April, suggest growing institutional conviction. This is partly fueled by speculation that the SEC may soon allow these ETFs to pass staking rewards through to investors, a feature that would significantly enhance their appeal. Further maturing the market, options trading on spot Ethereum ETFs received SEC approval last month, providing sophisticated investors with new hedging and trading tools. Adding to this, just yesterday, May 9th, Coinbase launched 24/7 US-regulated Bitcoin and Ethereum futures trading, a landmark move expected to reduce market friction and attract more institutional players. Beyond financial products, corporate adoption continues to underpin Ethereum's long-term value. Visa, for example, is leveraging Ethereum for its tokenized asset platform, enabling banks like BBVA to pilot issuing their own tokens on the blockchain in 2025. This trend of major financial institutions building on Ethereum underscores its growing role as a foundational settlement layer. However, the regulatory landscape remains a key factor. While there's a positive tilt in the US, with a new administration aiming to establish the country as a crypto capital and bipartisan efforts like the reintroduction of the Securities Clarity Act seeking to define digital assets, uncertainties persist. Coinbase recently revealed documents showing New York's Attorney General had pushed the SEC in 2023 to label Ethereum a security, highlighting ongoing legal risks even as the broader legislative environment appears to be improving, alongside established frameworks like the EU's MiCA regulation. Looking at the price outlook, short-term momentum is currently bullish. Following the Pectra-driven rally, analysts are watching if Ethereum can consolidate above its new support levels around $2,350 and challenge resistance near $2,500, with some eyeing a potential move towards $3,000 in the coming weeks, especially if broader market conditions remain favorable. The recent Federal Reserve meeting, which concluded on May 7th with rates held steady, continues to influence risk assets, and any future signals of easing could provide further tailwinds. For long-term investors, the focus remains on Ethereum's evolving fundamentals, its potential for deflationary supply, a thriving layer 2 ecosystem, dominance in DeFi and NFTs, and the attractive 4-5% staking yield. Some institutional analysts have set highly optimistic long-term price targets, like Standard Chartered's projection of $14,000 by the end of 2025 in a bullish scenario, contingent on continued ETF success and network growth. While such targets are ambitious, they reflect the significant upside potential many see as Ethereum solidifies its position as a core component of the future digital economy. The successful Pectra upgrade is seen as a key step in this ongoing journey,